Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Calendly account with your VoiceFlow chatbot, because I have seen lots of people are paying lots of money for their third-party application to connect these two platforms together, and to be honest with you guys, it don't even make any sense because you can connect it directly in VoiceFlow. And how we are going to do it is I'm going to connect our Calendly account with iFrame in a chatbot, and the chatbot will be connected with Calendly. It's so simple, trust me, just stick with this video. I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect it, and it's easy peasy. Yeah, so without wasting any further time, let's begin this. First of all, what we need is our Calendly account link. So just go to your Calendly account, log in with the account, whatever account you are using. Then if you have a page, booking page already, then just copy the link of it, because all we need is the link of the booking page. Now our all of this step is going to be in VoiceFlow. First of all, if you want to work with me, then hit the description, there is my website link. You can book a call with me and it's a free call. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So I'm going to make a workflow where I'm going to show you how you can connect it. So our first step is our message. Then I'm going to add a message card here. Hello, I am Mohit AI automation. And now I'm going to add some buttons. Add a button, and I'm going to add a button for book a call. Book a call. Yep, here it is. So now this is important. I'm connecting my Calendly account with a book a call button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select this one. Then I'm going to go to action section. Then there is a section for set a variable. Just click on it, add a new variable, values and expression. Then if you have already a variable, then good, but if you don't have, then create a new variable. I am going to create a new variable as urllink. Create a variable, then go to the expression, and now this is important, use the double quote first of the all, and between the double quote add your Calendly link. So here is my Calendly link. So this is done. We have set a URL with our Calendly link. Now our second step is just add another message card. Yeah, here it is. And now we are going to add an iFrame. So this is the iFrame that I'm going to add, and don't worry about it, I'm going to paste this in the description. You can just copy it and paste it into your chatbot. But look closely, this is also important because you can see there is an option for src. Let me zoom in, and in double quotes it's empty. So what we have to do is we have to enter the variable that we created. So I created url link, here it is. Yep, so yeah, it's done. So it's now connected, but the thing is that VoiceFlow is not going to show the Calendly account because VoiceFlow don't support iFrames, but it is going to work on the chatbot. So let me show you how it's going to look like. So this is the exactly the same chatbot that I am working on. It's a prototype. Now start a conversation. No, I already shared it. Okay, so this is an option for book an appointment. Let's select it. Yeah, here it is. So this is our Calendly. This is Chrono AI, my agency name, and you can book call from here, select the time, whatever. So yeah, it's already connected here, and it's very simple, and we are not using any third party application, and we are not even paying any money, and it's totally free. And when they are done, they can just click on I am done, because iFrame don't support the thing as like, so we need an option for I'm done. Okay, anyway, that's another part. So yeah, this is how we can connect our Calendly account with our chatbot. And if you guys find this video valuable, then hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, because I'm going to share lots of information like this one. And if you like the video, then just hit the like button. And if you are facing any other type of problem, then just comment below. I'm going to make another video on that one too. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video.